Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Yeah! Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, AS 0. I'm joined by Asanda.
Stiwo, African football analyst.
Izongena.
Uyazi ukuthi ngoba kukhumbuza ngoba iAfrican football lesize ngayo la.
True.
It's CAF.
Yes,
ihlanganisa wonke ama-Africans.
Yes,
so
my brother.
nginayo yonke imvumo yokukhuluma ukuthi it's African football.
Yes,
So Stiwo size la sobu Sundowns.
Yeah.
An exciting team.
Yeah.
Edlala ibhola kahle. But ke namhlanje sizongena kuyo.
Ngena.
So ngizoqala nje ngokuthi ngiyababongela bobabili for ama-point.
Yes.
1-1.
Yes.
It's a big thing for iCAF if you compete for the CAF.
Sure.
To totally point. Abanye ababuyi now.
Yeah.
But ke getting to game ngizohlala nje kuyo straight ukuthi Mamelodi Sundowns I don't know if the coach is stubborn or what wenzakalani ngaye, but there's one thing engifuna ukutshela ngayo ukuthi if you see ukuthi something is not working for wena,
yes,
you try to look for ezinye izinto ezizokusebenzela.
Yes.
Getting to the game namhlanje emanqoba mnqithi,
yeah,
is using ama-players akhe, international players. I'll tell you ngalento le ukuthi why is using international players.
Yes.
But now he's using players who have international experience.
Yeah.
Yokudlala ibhola.
Yeah.
So lento lena uyenzela ukuthi so that he can compete, he can ensure ukuthi CAF would remain as the best.
Yes.
Mayadlala ibhola lakhe, he doesn't hold ibhola too much players.
Yeah.
It's an instruction. Players lawa, they are playing with instruction. And that's the thing engiridealing Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi the difference between ibhola la Rulani Mkwena nelabanqoba ukuthi manqoba there are more instructions over coaching, yangithola. But today namhlanje uyabona ukuthi he had this mentality ukuthi guys, we are not here to play ibhola.
Yeah.
We are here to win the game.
Yes.
Yangithola. If you beg game yonke, they were pressing this team too high ukuthi bangabi na chance of even to break. But at the same time, you are playing with one player there ukuthi abe ikadela imali zakho.
Sure.
And that player is the thing engayisho last time ukuthi Tebogo Mokoena is a player that can give you an offensive ability with team.
Yes.
But when ufuna ukumdlalisa deep, allow ukuthi angene kulama spaces.
Wow.
Yena he's used to ukudlala ibhola angena iprogress ayiphambili.
Yeah.
And manje you see him ngazathi he won't be in the game. He played very well. He can play the position defensive.
True.
But for me it's a good thing if umdlalisa no-Obas. Because the-Obas upatient uyakwazi ukuhlala lapha anganankinga angafuni kuya phambili akasiforce. But this guy uMkwena gives you much more than ukuhlala lapha.
Yes.
Ukumenza ukuthi abe player just ehleli engabi offensive to allow ukuthi Alende Banget. I know Alende they are good players, but now this kind of football, and of tell you what kind of football they are playing, it will make many players at Sundowns look like average players. They are playing with the top squad, top players.
Yes.
And they use imali ukuthenga abo Ribeiro, it's not just 1,000.
Yeah.
Ukuthenga abo Sales, akusi 1,000.
Yeah.
Ukulanda ukodi sang from the league abedlalela, it's not something
it's not cheap.
So manje you have to spend imali for these players. They spend imali for these players to come and compete for iCAF.
Yes.
That's the thing engiyinoticile namhlanje ukuthi when he bought Sales.
Yeah.
I think that was the reason ukuthi afuna ukucompete kwi-CAF because he's an international player. Ukodisang usuka phesheya kube o-Alende kube o-Ribeiro. Those players are playing international. Labo Mkwena players who are excelling mabedlala international. Then wasesebenzisa uDivine Lunga nabo bale phesheya ngithola. Then wasefaka I think umrena only Leo lo bedlala ngale as a wing back. Ngithola. So I think i-Sundowns lesibuka njengamanje uManqoba is trying to change everything. Akawathemba ama-South Africans ukuthi akamwele iCAF. That's the thing ukuthi akawathemba ama-South Africans because ngifuna ukuthi siyikhulume mase sekwi-game esi-2 ngithi ngakutshela ukuthi this thing abantu kumele bayibheke. It's foreign players afuna ukuwina ngapha ama-South Africans bekhane wafaka nge-second half. That is why umbona ka introduce ama-players who are good even local. Uyangithola asethi abomtawa abomayema uyangithola. So asefaka ngisho Shalulile we-best le South Africa samazi uyakwazi uskora amagoli. I understand the South African football but ukhane introduce manje. This kind of football it's European style football. Yangithola akusi football represent South Africa ukuthi this is how South Africa plays. Yangithola they can't even if a player is running with the ball.
Yeah.
Because even ama fullbacks mayiphethe ball umrena mombona enze run wenza cishe nje ama yards ambala akaqedi even cover distance ende but usuke secrossile ibhola. That's the kind of football abadlalayo ukuthi ukunikeza iplayer ehleli la defensive ukuthi akuphasele ibhola or al cross. My cross I think bafuna leli bhola leli lithi just 3 touches then sese boxing. Yangithola it's the unlike that leli ama players are used to. Phela ukukhumbula uRunning Mkwena wangena emakhanda alama players ukuthi guys be patient with the ball.
1,000 passes.
Hlala phansi ulinde siyeza isikhathi ukuthi score goal. Ba frustrate baqinisena ibhola bengalitholi. But now it's a kind of football ethi 1 2 3 so se boxing. And that football is very risky because if a player do a mistake ubona le team yakwazi ukuthi ipush numbers ye phambili. But the only thing engizokukhulumela ngale team ukuthi they did very well defensively. Yangithola I think their aim was to come with a defensive approach ukuthi guys ensure ukuthi sine defensive structure is strong and we do not allow Sundowns ukuthi thole as many chances. Even about Ribeiro they were pressed every time ebese bowling there's a player closer to him. About Allende all these players Mkwena is playing deep akwazi ukuthi achaye lama shot lama crosses awashiza washanga phakathi. Manje irresponsibility about Ribeiro I think Ribeiro he got only one opportunity where lesha insimbi akwazi ukuthi across outside the box. But this ama players lawa ale team ukuthi we ensure ukuthi guys abayitholi lama chances ukuchaya kude ungene boxing abangene boxing uyabona they get the ball fast and mabelithola they can play a true pass ukuthi ifike player but the only thing engibe nayo I think bizoba ngcono kuba badlale box to box mabethola iball push numbers forward so that mawufaka lama crosses because ama full backs ama wing backs abedlala ngawo bekwazi ukuthi athola ibhola afike kwi channel ukuthi akwazi ukuphotha ibhola ngaphakathi eboxing but there are no numbers yangithola kugcwele Mamelodi Sundowns that side kugcwele ama players Mamelodi Sundowns so yikho amanye bebedlula amanye cause amakhona because every time we Mamelodi Sundowns play but if they had to push in numbers like it was ngendlela eshaya ngayo Man City it was not about holding the ball but uma udlala lama passes lawo thina we push numbers so that madlala ibhola ngaphakathi there are players who can score yangithola so this kind of football abadlala it's kind of football that requires more of energy ukuthi ugijima but Sundowns ngifuna ukuprovela ngale kumele ibhola ekutshela ngalo ukuthi if I say bafuna 3 touches ukufika eboxing bheka makuyikhona le team every time bafuna ukuthi ibhola mabelithola from icon they run too quick agijima ngale ndlela eqakile ukuthi they want ukuthi lama players lawa abe few yangithola so that bona they can get that clear chance of score yangithola so manje it's not a Mamelodi Sundowns style and this thing Sundowns will struggle this season mfethu yabona this kind of football is not South African football it's not Sundowns football.
Man of the match
but ke Stibo before ngene man of the match ngifuna ukuthi Sundowns I think this thing mele ngisho ukuthi the last time maybe khambisa uRulani I thought they bring in another coach I think this thing I mele sikhulume manje ukuthi Manqoba Mngqithi is a good coach but now I think they need someone who's younger someone like Abo Rulani Mkwena someone osasenaleyo hunger of winning lo muntu oma 90 minutes beka ucoach wale team le bema 90 minutes Manqoba relaxile busy player azoyinikeza enye instruction uyayididanisa player he's confusing ama players njalo makuyi player phansi busy player even a technical team yakhe yonke mina I don't think those guys
Steve Kuphela ophakama
Steve Kuphela angikhipha Steve ngedwa because abanye naba even 4000 ngimboni for 90 minutes angazi ukuthi usuke ehleliphi yangithola because manje I don't understand ukuthi like abanayo this thing
engam
le white
le iphila amehlo abovu sezi amehlo abovu one of the best young coaches kuphi
bathola coach lento ngifuna ukisho ukuthi Sundowns if iqhubeka noManqoba Mngqithi nale style sakhe they won't win anything this season
okay ungasabi kubatshela bafile labantu laba don't be afraid of the comments don't be afraid of the comments
what you analyzing
the game and the truth
The truth must be told.
The truth,
Ukuthi
baba.
njengamanje this is not a Mamelodi Sundowns.
No, ivarini
Tell
bafile.
the truth.
Ayikho mfana.
Babili.
Ayikho mfana.
Babili.
Ayifile mfana. That's the thing engisho. Last time ngikhulume ngo-repair. Last time ngikhulume ngo-repair. Yangithola. Abantu bathi mina u-repair ngiyamzona. Yangithola. Bathi u-repair ngiyamzona. But namhlanje he did the same thing. Did he stood up for his team?
No.
Yangithola. So that's the thing. I want every time masikhuluma bacabanga ukuthi
Alende.
bacabanga ukuthi mina hayi is Orlando Pirates fan. Yeah, Orlando Pirates fan. So he's talking perspective Orlando Pirates.
No.
But me I'm talking as an analyst, African football analyst. Ngizokutshela ngebhola into eyenzakalayo. Yangithola. So I don't care ukuthi umunye uthini. Yangithola.
And nesesikolweni uphuma khona wena.
Phuma khona esikoleni ngilifundi.
That is shy sports management.
Man of the match. Man of the match. Man of the match for me. Ngizoyinikeza this guy number 13. I think that guy if ama players akhe bekwazi ukuthi compliment the way abedlala ngakhona. I think he exposed uDevan Lunga their position. Every time I receive a ball bekhona kuya phambili. So for me ngamnikeza that guy in man of the match. Thank you.